In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and find photos in OneDrive in just 5 minutes. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have all your photos neatly organized and easy to find. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account. Head over to Microsoft's official login page and enter your credentials. If you're not yet signed up, you can easily create an account following the prompts on the same page. Once you're logged in, the fun really begins. You'll find yourself on the main Microsoft dashboard. To access OneDrive, click on the app launcher. This is the square icon made up of 9 dots located in the upper left corner of the screen. It's like your digital control center that leads you to all things Microsoft. From there, you'll want to click on OneDrive. Once you're in OneDrive, you'll see your storage space and any files you've already saved there. For this tutorial though, we're focusing on your photos. So your next move is to click on Photos. This section aggregates all the photos stored in your OneDrive, offering a streamlined view. Now, to find specific photos, you can use the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is especially useful if you have a large photo library and you need to quickly locate a particular image. Simply enter a keyword related to the photo you're searching for, and OneDrive will do the heavy lifting for you. Let's shift our focus to organizing those photos. You can do this by creating albums, which help you categorize and better manage your photos. Start by clicking on the Albums section. This is where you can see any already created albums and where you'll create new ones. To make a new album, click on Create a New Album. You'll be prompted to give your album a name, something descriptive that makes it easy to identify later. Once you've settled on a name, hit Add Photos. Here you can select the images you want to include in this new album. You can choose as many photos as you like, or start with a few and add more later. After you've made your selections, click on Create Album to finalize it. Congratulations, you've just organized a batch of photos into a new album. You can repeat these steps to organize other photos into different albums, keeping everything tidy and accessible, and there you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage your digital memories in OneDrive. This process not only makes your photos easier to find, but also keeps them organized in a way that makes sense to you. Whether you're a casual photographer or someone who takes a lot of pictures, these steps are a great way to bring order to your digital life. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.